Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily create a button in Framer, both by using a pre-made button and building one from scratch. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with using a pre-made button. All you have to do is hover over the Pages section on the left side of the screen. From here, choose a template that has a button and click Add Page. Here's an example of a login button from one of the templates. You can customize it and add a hover effect to make it interactive. Just click on the button. Then on the right side, scroll down to the effects option and click the plus button. Then select hover. Now let's change the fill color when the hover effect is activated. Maybe we'll make it a lighter shade. Now let's preview it and see how it looks with that subtle hover effect. Pretty cool, right? Now let's go ahead and create a button from scratch. First, go back to the main menu, click on the plus icon on the left, and select New Page. Let's rename the page for better organization. Next, click the text button on the upper left and type whatever label you want for your button. This is just an example. Now, right-click on the text and select Add Stack. For the size, let's set it to fit. And for the padding, let's adjust it to 12. This will give our button a proper size. Now, let's move the button to the middle of the page. You can now customize the color by changing the fill option. You can even go for a gradient effect if you want. And then set the corner radius to 12 for those smooth, rounded edges. To make it pop a bit more, we'll add a shadow. We can set the blur to 12 and the spread to 2 to give it a nice soft shadow effect. Now let's add a hover effect to our button. First, go to Layers, click on the button, then let's just rename this. Then right-click and select Create Component. Now let's hit Create. Click the plus icon and select Hover. Under the Style section, click on Fill to change the color when someone hovers over the button. Now let's preview the button. As you can see, the hover effect is working and we have created a nice subtle color change when hovering over the button. And there you have it. Those are just the basic steps to create a button in Framer, whether you use a pre-made template or build one from scratch. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.